You can't continue to sit and keep crying because something is hard and you're frustrated. If you spend your time crying and remaining in that same place, you'll never win because you continue to remain in that same place and you keep crying over this situation. But if you pick yourself up, keep moving, keep pushing, and keep going, you'll have more victories because you kept going and you didn't win. The victory is already yours. It's just up to you to keep going, to keep pushing, and to keep moving. Remaining in that same place, it only creates defeat. But if you already have the victory, if you already win, even though it's hard, even though it's frustrated, if you continue to keep going and keep moving, you'll walk into your victory and your purpose and your plan that's on your life. So today, keep moving, keep going, walk into your victory. Have a great day today, and the victory is yours. Have a great day.